Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to say welcome. My name is Andre Miller, and I'm originally from Jamaica, now living in the United States of America. All right, so if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, what I do, I talk about how to make money online, how to generate passive income, also how you can learn online marketing and you're going to learn all that information. So you could go through my previous videos that I've created. Feel free to check them out. And if it's your first time, I want to say hit that notification bell. Also, if you could subscribe to my channel so every time when I put out a brand new video, you'll be the first one to know. And for my regulars, I want to say welcome back. I love you guys. So keep watching my videos and keep supporting this channel. All right. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 ways to generate passive income and keep your day job. All right. So 5 ways to generate passive income and keep your job. All right, so I'm going to jump into things right away. So why I want to shoot this video today, because I've done some research and I was like, man, this thing is like the holy grail. Passive income is like the holy grail for online marketers, and we love it. For one, it's automatic, it's effortless, right? But not at first. At first, in the beginning, man, it's tough, it's difficult, but just like most things, it's like you're going to be putting all the work in right now, and it's like it seems like you're not getting that return, your initial return. But however, over time, as your passive income begins to increase, like you're going to see like income start rolling in. It's like a snowball, just keep going over and over. So that's where the real magic starts. And for most people, just like myself, meaning that you can escape the rat race. You probably want to have some more financial freedom. Maybe you want to get out of your 9-to-5 corporate sucking job and you want to do something big. So it means like unleash, live freedom, do what you want on your own term. There's one thing you can do, right? You cannot manage, you cannot stop the time, but you can manage your time, all right? And that's what most people are. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump into these right now. So five ways to generate passive income and keep your day job. All right. So you guys ready? So let's get things rocking and rolling. So the first one, what we're going to be talking about, the first one, and of course, is launch an automated webinar. I write some things down so I just don't want to miss anything. So you want to launch, number one, launch a webinar, automated. So webinars are absolutely crushing it these days, right? Believe it or not, they're crushing these days. And if you're looking to create like some serious passive income, right, consider launching an automated webinar. However, before you do that, right, make sure you do that webinar like every single week, like for an entire year. So once you have that webinar start to converting, you can automate it. Right? So some people take the automated like for a year. When it starts to convert, you want to make sure you target like the right people. So if you're like able to create like the right message and appeal to your audience. So let's say you create like your automated webinar, right? So you want to create like a funnel. So that includes not only just the webinar, but like email sequence. You have to have like an email sequence and possibly like some self-liquidating offer and maybe like a done-for-you service. Now, you can start off by, if you want to do Google Hangouts, that's a good place. Webinar Jam is another good one. So webinar, and you can even use Zoom if you want, all right? And you could do, so it's not complicated as it sounds, right? So these are like things to keep in mind of building out a webinar. So it's not like it's not a simple task, but when it clicks, trust me, man, the money is going to roll in. Like I'm telling you, the money is going to come in. So make sure you check out automated webinar. The next thing, and I've shot this in one of my videos, but start a blog. I can't express enough. Start a blog. So one of the best ways you can create a passive income is blogging. Yes, beginning, there is going to be no income. Expect that. But over time, you're going to start to generate an income from that blog. Eventually, it's going to snowball. Potentially, it could earn you like a 6 to 7 figure a year, even sometime more, right? So these are like the basic steps that you're going to be take before you even start a blog, right? So these are some steps that you're gonna take. So don't rush don't rush head first into anything without planning first. And that's where most people fail. Like I'm gonna do a blog. Let's start doing things. Excuse me. You got to think about exactly what you're gonna be doing, right? So blogs, you want to, like, let's say, look for the following, like, sub markets, right? So sub markets, so like most like make money. Number one, dating and relationship related blogs. Number two, you can make like money related blogs. Number three, diet and fitness related blogs. Fitness and wellness, those things are crushing it these days. So those things you could talk about in your blog. But again, at the beginning, it's going to feel like, oh, I'm just writing this for nothing. But trust me, over time, that blog is going to, it's going to skyrocket. However, when you pick a niche, right, and you can start to blog about it, if you're launching a money-making related blog, maybe it's about how to make money in a real estate or simply how to make money online, right? Pick that niche and stick to it. If it's diet or fitness, maybe it's like ketogenic dieting or all that kind of stuff, but make sure you stick to it, all right? So that's number two for you. All right, number three, you want to write an ebook. Ebooks are one of my favorite resources of passive income. A lot of people are not using this as well. So now you can see like the simplest way, right? Just like, simplest way. And then you could like publish it on Amazon KDPs, right? Or you can just go all the way out and just build yourself your own book funnel. Build a book funnel, and those are like powerful. Those are like fully passive. For example, right? If you do like a free shipping offer, if you, offer your ebook, converting them into a physical book, you'll need to create like a one-time offer that is like extra training. Maybe it's like an upsell that's maybe like an audio. A book funnel can be very powerful, but you don't need to go any further than that. You could simply like just write it and just publish it and just keep an income. But if you want to take it like to the next stage, like creating a funnel, giving an offer, like how many times you see people on, on Facebook or here on YouTube or also on Instagram, right? You see they're like, all right, I'm going to give away a free book, but you got to pay for the shipping. They're not really, the shipping is the initial cost for the book. However, they always have something in the back end to sell. Maybe it's the audio version, because not everybody want to sit down and read an ebook. Some people want the physical book. So that, again, you could sell a physical book, or you could sell that audio. Maybe the book is for $5.95 free shipping, right? Where you pay for the shipping costs, and then you have the audio book for like $19.95 or like $29 or whatever it is you want to price it for. So that's how you have a funnel. And then you can have like a training in the back where you could give that free training. So once you give that free training, then you can always upsell your customers. So that's how it works. It's always upselling and get your customers going. All right. So that was number three. Number four, build an information product, right? Sales funnels are powerful. Sales funnels are crushing it. These offer like high potential for income on the internet. So when configured properly, right, they can easily be scaled. You'll need to understand a thing or two about it, the conversion optimization. And possibly you want to do like maybe like Facebook ads or YouTube ads or even Instagram ads. But you can source out that whenever. So don't let that confuse you. You can source it out. So the hardest part about building an information product is coming up with the right hook. That's where most people struggle. So there is so much competition out there, and there's like virtually everyone has like the about to done every type of product and services. And the goal is to, is not into recreating the wheel. It's you to just simply have the model, or let's say, copy somebody else that's working, but you're not going to copy like word for word. You're not going to be like, well, John, Mary, whatever, yada, yada, yada. You want to make sure that, and most people are copying people out there, but, you just get that concept with a twist. So find something that will entice enough people. In other words, pick a hot market, right? So what are people buying up like crazy? Think for yourself. Is this something diet related? Is it money related? Is it fitness, and so on? So find out what exactly is working. Build out a better version of it without actually copying it, and add loads of value and watch how the money comes in, all right? So that was number 4. And number 5, one of my favorite, and I love this, by the way, and this is affiliate marketing. It's one great way to generate passive income through affiliate marketing. Believe it or not, like, you could sell other people's products and services without the headache, without the coaching, without the consulting, without all that kind of stuff. Again, this will not happen like overnight. You gotta, think about automation. So if you want to make some serious money, you got to start to think of like list building a list. And when people always say build the list, meaning that you're going to be receiving information from your customer, whether it's a name or it's an email, you're going to want to get that information. All right. And just add like value, add value to your list, so your list don't get obsolete. And that's where most people do. They send out a couple of emails and they forgot about everything. You got to follow up with them, and you just got to keep doing different offers, because maybe one offer is good for one, but it's not good for the other. So that's why affiliate marketing is great, because you could offer different kind of stuff. So make sure you build your niche, in a particular, and just like tell a story, create a bond with your list, build a relationship. That is very, very important. And just like a bit of culture, and just start marketing different products, and services. Again, just start giving it without, and whatever you do, you just want to make sure that you're not getting a lot of complaints and all that kind of stuff, but just, stay within the frame, and don't just kill your list. Most people just kill their list, just email your list, but make sure you keep in touch, make sure you keep engaged with it. And how can you promote your affiliate links? Well, you got YouTube right here, right? Create videos about different products and services. Give reviews. Maybe it's a review on Amazon. Maybe it's on eBay, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, all that kind of stuff. And then you could go on LinkedIn. There's there's Instagram, and there's Facebook ads. So create lots of content and invite those people, invite them over, and just build your list, keep growing. And if you guys are looking for a great affiliate marketing company, if you want to start affiliate marketing and you don't know where to start in terms of like training, coaching, and all that kind of stuff, because that's where most people fail. Most people try to go out on their own and they play hero. They're like, all right, I'm just going to go try it. Yeah, sure, you could try it. Maybe it work for some, but not work for others. But I could tell you that 97% of people who try affiliate marketing fail. Why? Because they don't have the right coaching. They don't have the mentor. They don't have someone who could guide them through. So I'm going to introduce you guys to this perfect system. So click on the link down below. They have great training. They have great support. And if it's something that you would love to be a part of, feel free. If it's not for you, it's just not for you. But if you want to look for, passive income and keep your day job, this would be like the perfect business model for you to go on, because you could start off, learn a skill that you can go out there and market anything. All right. So that's what you guys need to do. Click on the link below, check out what we have going on. And if it's something that you want to take part of, feel free to do so. All right. But thank you guys for watching. That was 5 ways to generate passive income and keep your job. My name is Andre. Again, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. And if there's anything that you guys would like to know, feel free to drop them in the comments, any feedback, concern, and just let me know. All right. Thanks for supporting the channel. Peace out. Talk to you soon.